Hello, everyone. Just a quick corporate update, critical update, though, on gold, silver, and AI rocketing, because as you know, gold's hit over 4,000 US an ounce. We've been talking about gold for a couple of years now on our podcast, and we're very interested to see where it's going, silver as well. And now, of course, artificial intelligence is rocketing, and it's this is a critical update, one not to miss, and a quick one. So gold has been bought up mainly by the central banks, although there's broad-based buying of gold and silver now. And it looks as though people are using gold not just as a hedge against geopolitical risks, but also against Bitcoin, shares, contracts, fiat currency, basically paper assets. People have realized that gold is a very good, strong asset diversification. If the central banks can hold it, then we can hold it. So between central banks, companies, investors, individuals, the reality is that gold is good, and of course has many uses like silver apart from being a financial asset. So look for gold to go higher. Probably its long-term range now is between 3,000 US and 5,000 US an ounce. I would imagine. And silver should go through 50 US an ounce, but there'll be some volatility. And then finally, on artificial intelligence, critically what you need to know there is that while people are pointing, look, it looks like a bubble with NVIDIA and OpenAI coming to some sort of vendor financing arrangement, that's fair enough. I wouldn't call it necessarily a bubble. People didn't like the telephone for 50, 60 years after it was invented. From 1870 onwards for 50, 60 years, the phone was pretty unpopular in many ways to a lot of people. AI seems to be the coming of age of computers, of computerization, as it does a bit of the grunt work for us, a bit of the first rough draft work for us, a bit of the scouting for us, the searching, allowing us to sate our curiosity in private. So AI really has a long way to go. Has to be monetized, but it's got a very, very strong future, and that could be a future that doesn't have big bumps in it. It'll have bumps, but not necessarily big ones. So yes, it's a bubble, but Jeff Bezos is probably right. It's probably the right kind of bubble because AI drags up the utility of computerization and digitization with it as well. But it will be interesting to see. Tell me what you think.